रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 माझी चर्चा जाल्ली आसा. मुख्यमंत्री कडेन बी चर्चा ऑफ एंड ऑन जाता. त्याच बरोबर पार्टी कडेन ऑफ एंड ऑन जाता. जे लोकांचे ल्हान ल्हान जमन्यो जे 300 स्क्वेअर मिटर 500 स्क्वेअर रॅशनलायजेच्या नांवान जे तांकां फाटीं 17(2) माध्यमांतल्यान आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो की मॉडिफिकेशन आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी जे उल्लेख हांवें केला त्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी तांकां न्याय दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. एज फार एज we are concerned, there will be no more regional plans in the state of Goa because regional plan 2021 was the biggest scam pulled on the people of state of Goa by the state level committee, which हो माझो पूर्णपणे आरोप. त्या कमिटीचेर कारवाई जातलीच. त्या कमिटीचेर ते कमिटीचे प्रत्येक मनीस जो मेंबर आशिल्लो तेजेर कारवाई जातली. तेणी कितें केलें, कशें केलें, कोणी खंयचो प्लॅन सायन मारलो तो येता ते विधानसभेन हांव मांडटलो. रिजनल प्लॅन करपाचें म्हाजी मनस्थिती ना, म्हाका ताकद बी ना. कारण हे रिजनल प्लॅन करपाक गेल्यार इज लायक ओपनिंग अ ह्यूज Pandora's box, which it becomes very difficult to control. Hence, the government, in order to be more transparent, has involved consultants. The consultants will help us in making zoning plans, and we will see that every paddy field is protected, every slope is protected, and every no development zone is protected. And this is what we want to do. Any camera, because I have not taken a naya paisa from anybody to do anything. As far as what section 72, I will defend it till the last. As far as section 16B, I'll re-examine it. It's my only request to the judiciary. Maybe in any this maybe go across everywhere is take the government's point of view on merit to merit basis so that we are able to present ourselves. Let the people of Goa also present themselves. One section of people cannot be called the people of Goa. There is every part of Goa that has to be taken into confidence. As a result, zoning plans will be the new way forward. Goa will not see another regional plan for a long time. This regional plan is absolutely something that I do not prescribe to as a minister, and as my view, it is my view that we should strictly go by zoning plans with professional consulting agencies on board and move forward. This will be applicable to all the ODPs and to the zoning plans.